Hello, I'm Celia. I come from Taiwan. I'm a Chinese speaker and also a professional Chinese teacher. I can help you to improve your skill in pronunciation or conversation and also reading in Chinese. In my class, I offer different type of resources such as article and document and lyrics and songs. We can also discuss cultural things such as traveling. If you are interested, book my class today. Let's go in Chinese. 您好，我是 Celia， 我来自台湾，我是一个中文母语者，也是一个专业中文教师。我的课程提供许多的绘画练习，让您可以在轻松的愉快气氛下学习中文。不仅专注于语言练习，更提供文化的交流与讨论。如果您感兴趣的话，今天就来预约我的体验课程吧。